Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you go and do it now. Also, try to leave a like on the video, and if you don't, you're just sad. I'm joking, by the way. Anyway, today I will be playing Pixel Gun 3D on my mobile phone. You should go download it. By the way, this video is not sponsored. I am never gonna get paid. Anyway, moving on. I will be opening chests all day for this video. As you can see, I got 81 diamonds. The only reason I'm doing this is because I have no good weapons or not enough money to go buy myself some more weapons. So let's do this. Let's just... Oh, we got gems. Well, that was a waste of a spin. Okay, let's go. Second spin. Money. Fair enough. Lucky number 3, let's see what it gives us. Wow, that's good. That is very good. Oh, got a new skin. If this video manages to get up to 5 likes, I will make a part 2 when I am ready. I probably won't use all the gems because it will probably take forever. Come on, give us something good. More coins. Gems. Still good. See if we can get something good out of these 3 spins. Oh, that is cool. Headphones, nice. Coins again. Top. More gems. Some boots. More coins. Give us something good. Ten gems. Free spin. Oh, 50 coins. Looks like I'm going to be able to buy a new sniper after all. King's Crown. I'm actually surprised I haven't got, like, a weapon or anything yet. Feels like I've been sitting here for a while now. Some free spins again. Demolition cape. Some more coins. Gems. Some more gems. Will I ever be able to escape the gem life? That's a pretty cool skin. I quite like that one. Got a ruby helmet. Gems again. Oh, that is sick. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Gems. Lucky man. I don't consider this lucky. Okay, that's cool. And we have more gems. What is this? Firecrackers. A series of firecrackers drop behind you. So I'm guessing it's like a sort of thing when you're in the game and you're playing multiplayer or something. That is not what I'm looking for. Okay. Well, I don't have another grenade launcher. I've only just started this game, so I guess that's not too bad. I still got that red handgun grenade launcher sort of thing. What's this called? Werewolf. More gems. Coins, that's good, that's good. Gems. Honestly, I think the fact that you only get 3 gems when you're pretty much wasting 3 is pretty stupid. I'm not sure about you guys. I mean, it's helpful when you get the free chest after you've waited 3 hours and 50 minutes or so. But when you're using your 3 gems just to get another 3, it's not a pretty good thing to be in the game. Now 10 gems when you're using 3, that's a profit. More gems. Seems like every second spin now is gems. Good cool. Got that. $50 coins. What a bargain. Freddy Krueger right here. Why is it called Christmas Ninja? It's just Freddy Krueger now. Another 50 coins. Okay, this will be our last spin. I believe. Nope, it is. One more. I'm quite surprised I haven't got a weapon out of this except for that grenade launcher. Anyway, let's back out for a second. We'll see what we've got out of that. Yep, there's that. Equip. Nothing out of there. We've got that. That was pretty good, I'd say. Increases movement speed, melee weapon, jump height. Increases movement speed and weapon damage. That's pretty good. So out of these two, I'm thinking going with that one. Armor. We can't upgrade that. What else have we got in here? Scroll down. I'm gonna equip the last one I can find. So there's Frankenstein.
Try, you were the last one in the box.
Okay, I just have been rudely interrupted, but I have managed to find the skin that looks the most rarest, and it's the pilot one. It's the last one on the list. See what else is here. Here we go. We got that. There we go, just got interrupted again. Turns out we don't have much more. Might just go by a melee weapon. I will choose that one. Stuff that. Okay, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.